I'm going to show you today how I make my chicken, rice and peas. It's an easy supper. It's perfect for when you get in late and you want a little time to unwind while dinner prepares. It just takes a bit of work at the beginning and then leaves you free for an hour to unwind while supper's cooking. So to start off with, I'm just going to turn some heat on under this pan. Let that heat up. Add a little oil, just a tiny bit, and then I need a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, a teaspoon of sea salt flakes, and then just a little more oil here just to turn this almost into a paste. Perfect. So I've got some chicken thighs here. I'm just going to brush the chicken thighs with this seasoning. This will help them bronze up in the oven as well. I sometimes wonder why people don't use the chicken thighs more often, because they're very inexpensive, much cheaper than breast, have much more flavour. So we'll just add these to the pan, skin side down. I'm not cooking these the whole way through, I simply just want to add a little colour to them. Squeeze them all in there, and any remaining paprika and salt I'm just going to rub on the underside. So while they get their brief fry in the pan, I'm just going to slice up a washed and trimmed leek in a fairly thin slice. Perfect, so I'll just transfer this back to the plate. You can see the skin has begun to crisp up and turn this lovely golden colour. It will crisp up and turn even darker in the oven, don't worry. Going to tumble in my leeks, and then I've got 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm just going to mince in. About. Just want the leeks to soften just a little and the garlic to become sweet and mellow. Okay. My next ingredient is just some frozen peas. I want a cup or thereabouts, no need to thaw them. 60 mils of white vermouth, it smells heavenly already. You can use white wine instead of the vermouth if you don't have it. I just like to use vermouth as it lasts longer. Saves me opening a bottle of wine every time I need some wine when I'm cooking. I want a cup of rice, and this is just a white basmati rice. Stir everything through. tablespoon of dried dill. This gives it the slightest aniseedy flavour. And then I want 2 cups of chicken stock. And by this I mean I've dissolved some stock cube pots in some boiling water, that's it. Just stir that through and transfer our chicken on top. So the steam that the rice and the chicken stock gives out will make the chicken so tender and moist. I'm going to cook this for half an hour with the lid on and then give it the final 30 minutes with the lid off so that the skin can crisp up, become crackling and golden on top. So it's ready for the oven. Just turn off the heat and it's ready to be transferred to the oven. So in all it's going to take 1 hour in a 200-degree oven, 30 minutes with the lid on and then the final 30 minutes with the lid off. So it's had its time in the oven. Down. Just going to use a fork and fluff the rice up a little. Got a little parsley I'm just going to scissor over. If you had some fresh dill as well, it would be excellent here. And I'm very hungry, so I'm going straight in. As always, you can find the recipe for this on my website, and the link for that is in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And what's left for me to do is try it out. Really very good. Chicken skin is all lovely, crispy and crackly and perfectly seasoned.